All right, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Winners Tech. All right, so I want to take you people through how to set your phone internet, okay, to be 10 times faster. All right, so the first thing to do is to go to your settings. So you are going to locate settings here. So from settings, then we'll move to connections. You tap on connections, then you move straight to mobile networks. Okay, so from mobile networks, you scroll down to access point names. So we are going to tap on access point names. All right, so you can see this particular interface. So what we are going to do here is to tap on the add. It can be located on the right hand side, top. You can see there. So we tap on add. Okay, so from there we are going to add whatever will make our internet run faster. So the first thing to do is to move to name. So from name we are going to type 4.4.8.8, sorry, 8.8 5G. Okay, so we are going to put 5G here. Please, we are going to put 4.4.8.8 5G. Okay, so from there you save it. Then you move to APN. All right, so from there you are going to put 4.4.8.8. Okay, so from there you save it again. Then straight to server. We are locating server here. Server, you are going to put www.google.com. All right, so we are going to save it again. Then we move to APN type. So you can see APN type here, and make sure APN type is on default. It is okay. So then from there you move to APN protocol. So APN protocol, you are going to select the last one, IPv4/IPv6. So we are going to tap on this one. Then we move straight to barrier. From barrier you are going to select all of this. All right, so we are going to select all. This is what will make our internet run faster. Okay, so after you are done selecting all, you are going to save it. Okay, so then the next thing to do is you are going to save all of this. So you are coming to the three dots here at the right hand side corner of the phone. Then you tap on save. So from save, place this particular interface will come. So you can see that it is showing at the first thing. That is the first option here. So from there we are going to now change our MTN web to that particular one. So we are going to tap on it. All right, so we are going to tap on it to save it there. So the next thing to do is to restart our phone. Okay, so the next thing to do is to restart your phone. After you are done restarting your phone, then your internet can now run 10 times faster than before. Okay, so this is what you are going to be doing to make your internet run faster. Okay, so the next thing to do is to restart the phone. So I'm going to restart my phone here. All right, so that is all for today. Thank you so much.